Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto shift manual transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.